Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno phone camera setting, and today friends we will talk about guys camera watermark, how to enable on Tecno mobile and how to use it. Friends, you want to enable camera watermark on your Tecno mobile. So friends, how to enable camera watermark, in this video we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Tecno phone camera setting. After on camera setting, friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, you want to take photo in portrait mode, you can take photo in portrait mode on your Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to take friends, you want to make slow motion video, you can make your slow motion video. Friends, click here setting icon left side, click here, and friends you can see shooter sound, guideline setting, location setting. Friends, you can see touch capture setting, and friends you can see auto watermark setting. Picture size, friends, you want to change, so you can change picture size from here. So friends, click on auto watermark setting and you can use guys your watermark on your Tecno phone device. So friends, after on watermark, friends, when you will click photo, so with for photo guys we click the photo, and friends you can check watermark here Tecno Spark. So like that friends, you can own guys watermark and you can use watermark on your Tecno phone device. And friends, you don't want to use guys your watermark, friends, you can turn off your Tecno phone camera watermark. After all friends, you can take photo without any watermark. Click here, and friends you can see this photo guys, there is no any watermark on our device, and this photo guys we have watermark. So like that friends, we can on watermark and we can off watermark on Tecno mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.